Number 4, Michael Clarke, the captain, he's out there. He got out there very quickly, as he always does. He bounces out. It's a really strong intent when he gets to the crease. He makes the opposition watch him charge out. And that's all a psychological thing. It's, I mean business. I'm out here to bat. I cannot wait. Look at that average of over 50. It's all about getting control of the mind from Clarke's perspective. No! In behind, it's solid as a rock. So the first innings, Clarke trying to forget what's going on. He wouldn't have been jumping like this for a long time. That was the plan from England. It only took 10 deliveries to get that result. Do you think Clarke has been working on the short ball since that dismissal, or has he just let it go?
I think he's done a lot of work between the last Ashes series and this one, and I think Stuart Broad just bowled him a good ball.
Pull shot! How good's that? He's taken him on. Goes again. There'll be another boundary. Michael Clarke. Fire with fire.
Oh, super shot again from Michael Clarke. Just not enough aggression in the short balls, like, oh, I'm going to bowl a short ball. There's no intent, really. And Michael Clarke rocked back onto the back foot and said, thank you very much. Bang, that's 4 more singles. And at the same time,
yes!
Another ripper from Michael Clarke.
Keep going, Warner. Love it.
Did you hear when he hit that ball? Oh, he sweeps that away. That'll be a boundary. That might give you an indication of what Michael Clarke's thinking. He's not going to let Joe Root settle. Part-time office. Clarke sending an early message there, I reckon. Clarke is over mid-off. Will it go all the way? Not quite. One bounce. That's 50 for Michael Clarke. Settling 50 for the captain.
And he's taken that one on as well. It's a short boundary and it's 6. 2 men back, but he was a little bit squarer than that, Clarke. Always loves dancing at the crease. Ring rate post-lunch. And it continues. He's shaped to come down. I think at that point Swan just pushed it a bit wide. And they'll be looking to run 4, and that's exactly what occurs. Michael Clarke dominating. Very, very much in love. All class. All class. No third man. Too short, too wide.
Either way, it's a grim picture.
That's through. Has he got enough on it to get it to the fence? Yes, he has. So 1,000 runs at the Gabba for Michael Clarke, and he skips on to 86.
Anyway, there are the facts. 1,000 runs, 400s, 350s, an average of, well, look, perfectly binary.
That one's away. Fine, 4 more.
Well done for Michael Clarke there.
The crowd are into it. They have been for 3 days.
Yes!
He gets that through. Will it go all the way? He's on 96. It'll just be 3. 99 to Clarke. The field, they're all around him. They're tight. They're trying to stop the single. Can they? They can't! You beauty! Captain Courageous!
He's played brilliantly. He really is a wonderful mark. Crowd are loving it. His team, that's important. Put a marker down, put a flag down.
Well done, Michael Clarke. Means a lot to him, this one, especially the way he's got out in the first innings. Showed a lot of character, shows he's a quality player, one of the best in the world, Michael Clarke. Leading this side well, the Australian captain. Well appreciated by the crowd too. It's nice to see his teammates out there all clapping him too. They've got a good feeling in the dressing room. There's his wife, Kylie. Excellent moment.
And Michael Clarke, he attempts to come down and be aggressive. The use of the feet, the dancing has worked for him until then, and Swan gets his first pole.
Looks to the heavens at Graham Swan. Forget that, this has been a wonderful innings. Captain's knock from Michael Clarke, 113. Looking to hack Swan into deep mid-wicket, he's bowled. The job done.
Graham Swan will be happy with that. Finally takes a wicket. The big one of the captain, Michael Clarke, has gone for 113. Look at the reception he's receiving off the crowd too. Well played, Michael Clarke. 113 off just 130 deliveries. 5 for 294.